Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the quality of your TikTok live studio stream. So to do that, you're just going to go to the settings tab here until another tab opens. Here you're going to select the video quality. I picked the highest one. You can also select automatic, or you can even customize it, but I select this one. Press the 60 frames per second. I also use this resolution as well. I also use this for the bitrate. I think I could go higher, but I don't know. I just set it to that. And that's pretty much it. Really, you can even run as a speed test to optimize your live quality here as well. It's just for the internet basically to see. But that is pretty much how you can adjust your live quality on TikTok Live Studio. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!